Under the Powers and Duties Law section of the New York State Notary Public Law, which of the following statements best describes the requirement for notaries public when advertising their services in a language other than English? To help us answer this question, let's have a look at the Notary Public License Law booklet, particularly section 135-B entitled Advertising by Notaries Public. And section 2 states, a notary public who advertises his or her services as a notary public in a language other than English shall post with such advertisement and notice in such other language the following statement: I am not an attorney licensed to practice law and may not give legal advice about immigration or any other legal matter or accept fees for legal advice. So with that in mind, let's have a look at our 4 choices to determine the solution. Choice A states they must clearly state their service fees in the advertisement. This is not what the Powers and Duties Law, particularly 135-B as I read from before, states, and therefore choice A is not the correct solution. Choice B states they must specify their working hours and location. This as well is not stated in the law that I read from, and therefore choice B is not the correct solution. Choice C states they are required to include a statement indicating they are not attorneys and cannot give legal advice. This is what is stated in the law that I read from, but let's have a quick look at choice D just to be sure. Choice D states they need to display their notary public commission number prominently. This is also not stated in the law that I read from, and therefore choice D is not the correct solution either, which indeed leaves choice C. They are required to include a statement indicating they are not attorneys and cannot give legal advice as the correct solution.